Why rent when you can own brand new? Take advantage of thousands in seller and lender credits. This opportunity could be what makes homeownership possible. Welcome to modern, low-maintenance living in the heart of Lynden. Located on Front Street and close to schools, shopping, restaurants, and all the charm that makes Lynden such a desirable place to live, this brand new home offers both convenience and comfort. Designed with style and functionality in mind, the open layout features sleek modern finishes, beautiful cabinetry, durable luxury vinyl plank flooring, and AC for year-round comfort. Large windows fill the home with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Built for lasting value, the home offers solid construction, a metal roof, and a private garage, providing both peace of mind and everyday practicality. With its thoughtful design, modern features, and unbeatable location, this home offers the perfect blend of affordability, style, and convenience. Stop renting.